In this video, we'll be discussing the analysis of variance, or better known as ANOVA, and we'll be talking about one-way ANOVA table. What is the analysis of variance? The analysis of variance is the collection of statistical models used to analyze differences between groups and variations between and within groups. So this can be analyzed in this way. We have the source of variation, that is for the one-way ANOVA. We have the sum of squares. We have the degree of freedom. We have the mean square. And we have the F-statistics. So this is how the one-way ANOVA table looks like. All we need to do is to draw this. So the first thing to do is to talk about the treatments. The treatments. The treatment for sum of square, we have the sum of square treatment. And for degree of freedom, we have k minus 1. For the mean square, we have the mean square treatment. Also, so this treatment is for between groups. We can write here between groups. Also, we also have the error. We can write it as within groups. Within. For the sums of square error, we have sums of square error. For the degree of freedom, we have it to be n minus k. And for the mean square, we have our mean square error. We also rule another line. Now we have total. For the total, we have the sum of square total. For the total degree of freedom, we have it as n minus 1. And that is it. And the next thing to write is our F statistics. Our F statistics is equal to the mean square treatment all over the mean square error. So we'll have to define all of this one by one. So we define all of this one by one. This is sum of square treatment. Sum of square treatment. And it's equal to the sum of square treatment is equal to, it can be calculated as summation of, as j running from 1 to p. If you're given a table, you have nj into nj minus mean, the grand mean, all square. So this is how we can calculate the sum of square treatment. How about the sum of square error? We move over to this side of the board. The sum of square error can be calculated as summation of as j running from 1 to b, summation of as I running from 1 to n into x ij minus the grand mean j all squared. So this is how the sum of square error can be calculated. How about the sums of square total? Sums of square total. The sums of square total can be calculated as summation of as j running from 1 to n and p, summation of as I running from 1 to n into xij minus the grand mean square. So this is how the sum of square total can be calculated. Now, how can we calculate the mean square treatment? The mean square treatment is just the sum of square treatment divided by the degree of freedom. That means the mean square treatment is equal to this divided by this. The sum of square treatment all over k minus 1. Now we have the mean square error. How can it be calculated? You can write it here. The mean square error is equal to the sum of square error divided by the degree of freedom. The sum of square error divided by n minus k. So that is it. Now, how about the F statistics? Of course, we've written the F statistics. The F statistics is equal to the mean square treatment all over the mean square error. Now, you can ask, what is our k? What is our k? K is the number of groups of the data given. And what is our n? Our n is equal to number of sample size, number of sample size. Of course, this is one-way ANOVA. For more on this topic, you need to subscribe to this channel. Now, k is number of groups, n is number of sample size. What is the meaning of SST? This is sum of square treatment. SST sum of square treatment. How about SSE? Sum of square error. Sum of square error. How about SST? SST means sums of square total. So we can write it here. SST equal to sum of square total. So of course, this is how we can compute the one-way ANOVA table. So this is for a one-way ANOVA table. One-way ANOVA table. This is what we get. So for more on this topic, you need to subscribe to this channel.